If you have a Pinterest account and you would like more followers, I highly recommend this site called Pinterest. I started March 15th, so in just about 4 to 5 days, I already have 243 new followers, and I did have 5732. Now I have 5975 from using this website. I'm going to walk you through the features that they have and how it will help you build your Pinterest accounts. You can add more than one Pinterest account if you need to. You add it right here, and then it'll automatically show up on Pinterest. The website is called pinpinterest.com, and mine is Crochet Jewel, but the name, this was before I switched the name here. So you go to Dashboard, and to get started, you want to set up your tags. When you set up your tags, Pinterest is going to help you follow the people that like these tags. So my blog or my content is about crochet, so I'm going to put type in crochet related content or tags here. It's good to make them generic, so it broadens your following more, and you have more of a more followers that way. So I added like gifts and teaching and DIY and crafts and arts, more than just crocheting, so more people will like my tags and follow me more through my tags. Also, your comments here, you can they will be chosen randomly from your list and be written to pins found through your tags here, and you it'll randomly do it for you. These ones were set up automatically and random. You can delete some, and you can add your own as well. And to get started, I'm going to show you how to use auto pin and what it means. It automatically comes down to this area here, and Pinterest will find different pins, photos, content on Pinterest, and it'll pin it for you on your board. And to build your boards fast, you want to have boards that people are interested in, and if you pin on a regular basis, then more people will follow you. It'll ask for tags, so you come right here. This Crochet Jewel is my board here, and Pinterest will search for the pictures that have those tags associated with it, so these tags here, and then it will pin those photos to my board on Pinterest, and this helps gain a nice following and build followers for your boards. You want at least 3 tags or more, so these are my tags, and then I can save them, and then I can do it to all these other boards that I'm following on this crochet account that I have. So I'm going to go back up to Dashboard and go to Pin Website. Okay, so I'm on Pin Website here, and you pin your website. So here's my website here. Which so I'm going to come over here and pin it, and it's pinned for me right here. Then you can test sitemap. It will search your website and it'll find quality pictures for you to pin. It's saying it's valid, so now I can save the sitemap. I can do it to these other boards that I'm following through this account for Pinterest. So I'm going to go back up, and this one is my favorite on the features on this website for Pinterest, because you can add your pins through a schedule. So instead of finding a time during the day to add your pins, you can schedule it, and it will automatically do it for you once you schedule it. So I'm adding this pin here. I'm going to walk you through it here. And this pin here is associated, the link that I put in there, all these photos are associated with that link because this is coming from my Etsy store, but I want this photo for that link, and then it's going to automatically have this pop up, and you choose your boards to pin to, and I have these boards in my account that I follow, and I'm going to choose these ones associated to the relevant crochet content. And then when you get to this description, you're going to want to use your keywords, so Pinterest will help you have more of a following through these keywords. So it's really important to type in a description of what you're pinning for your pin. And so I made sure I put the word crochet and yarn and hooks in there, because those are relevant keywords that I can use, or that Pinterest will help use for me to get more followers. And then also I choose the time. You can do an up and down arrow, or you can use the calendar. The best times I read for pinning on Pinterest is from 2 to 4 in the afternoon, and from 8 at night until 1 in the morning. And then you can choose only once for it to post, every day, weekends, or choose days. I'm going to choose only once so I don't spam. I don't want to be considered a spammer. So for right now, I'm just going to choose once, or I could choose my days, and these days will pop up. Okay, so I'm going to save the pin, and it's already saved here. I'm going to go back up to my dashboard, and then the comments are here, and that's turned on. And then following and unfollowing. Right here for advanced settings for unfollow and unfollow all users. So unfollow, I'll turn that on. And I'm going to unfollow only users that were followed by Pin Pinterest. Or you can unfollow all users. But the reason why I won't choose this one is because I follow people that are, some of them are my friends, or some of them I like. And Pin Pinterest just does it automatically for you, so I don't know who they are. But right here, if it's all users and it's my account, then it might delete or unfollow people that I follow deliberately and that are my friends. So I am only going to do unfollow from Pin Pinterest, and then it waits 5 days, and then it will unfollow him. Okay, so that's all of these, and then you can click on the sidebar here and it takes you there as well. Auto pin, invite people, which you can invite people to your boards, and you can pin content on there and you get more exposures to your boards. Also, if you come right here, you can control the speed as well. You want to limit, if you're new and you're a beginner, you want to limit the speed of how often you do pins per day, follow per day, unfollows per day to about 10. Because if you go too high, you might be considered a spammer and they might suspend your account. Pin Pinterest wants to help you from preventing any type of suspension for 24 hours. So you can limit it all the way down to like 10 per day instead if you're new. And when you go up to boards and you do your boards, you reload your boards when you add more boards here. And then this is really cool too, because Pin Pinterest will show you all of the action that Pin Pinterest did for you. So unfollowed, comment, pin, this is all done by Pin Pinterest. I didn't do any of it. I only set it up in this dashboard, but then Pin Pinterest did it all for me. And then it shows you the action that they did during the day. So that's pretty neat. Okay, so that shows you basically how to get started and the benefits of this website. I highly recommend it, especially with the type of following that you can receive by using this website. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and thank you for watching.